Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Hue Entertainment content library, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Hue Entertainment website. Once the home page loads, look for the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to access your account. If you already have an account, enter your credentials using your email and password. If you do not have an account, locate the sign up option and click on it. Fill out the registration form with the required information. After completing the form, click the Create Account button. Once you are signed in, navigate to the Content Library section. In the Content Library, explore the various categories of entertainment available. You will be prompted to select your subscription plan. Choose a plan that best fits your needs and click on it. Review the subscription details, including the pricing and features of the plan. If everything looks good, click on the Proceed to Checkout button. You may need to enter your payment details to complete the subscription. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation message. Congratulations! You can start enjoying the variety of content available to you immediately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.